Crowns for dental use are a standard procedure in dentistry that can help bring back the form and look of a decayed, damaged tooth. They can be utilized to safeguard teeth that are weak, to cover the dental implant, keep an implant in place, or to improve the appearance of a crinkly or discolored tooth. However, how long will dental crowns really last? In this clip, we'll explore elements that impact the longevity of a dental crown and offer suggestions on how to make sure they last for a long time. Before we get into the types of materials that are used for dental crowns, there are many types of materials that are employed to construct dental crowns. They include ceramic, porcelain, as well as a mixture of the three. Each type of material has its own strengths and drawbacks that could affect how long a crown can last. Ceramic crowns and porcelain ones are popular options due to their natural aesthetic and capacity to blend with the nearby teeth. They are, however, durable and will last for years. They're also less prone to chipping or breaking than metal crowns. Contrarily, metallic crowns, for instance the ones made of silver or gold, are exceptionally sturdy and less likely fracture, but they're more unappealing to the eyes than ceramic or porcelain crowns. Another element that affects the durability of dental crowns is place of the tooth inside the mouth. Dental teeth that are located at the lower back of the mouth, for example, molars, are affected by more forces from chewing and are more prone to suffer wear and tear in comparison to teeth on the front. In turn, the dental crowns placed on the back of teeth could not be as durable as the ones for front teeth. In addition, ensuring proper brushing and regular hygiene play a vital aspect in extending the lifespan of the dental crown. Not brushing or flossing often can cause dental caries, gum disease, and various other conditions that could compromise the strength of the dental crown. Visit your dentist regularly for appointments, and cleanings is vital for ensuring that the crown stays in good shape and address any potential concerns before they get out of hand. Additionally to these aspects, other lifestyle factors like food choices and practices like grinding or nail biting could influence the lifespan of a dental crown. Foods that are hard or sticky may cause the dental crown to crack, whereas actions like clenching or grinding your teeth may put too much pressure on the crown that can cause excessive wear and tear. What is the average length dental crowns really last? Dental crowns are able to last between 5 to 15 years based on the materials used, as well as the position of the tooth, dental hygiene routines, location in the mouth, and many other elements. A few crowns might endure longer if properly taken care of and routine maintenance. To prolong the life of your dental crowns, here are some guidelines to be aware of for the long-term health of your dental crowns. 1. Make sure you maintain a healthy oral health by regularly flossing and brushing to protect your gums from decay and gum disease. 2. Do not chew on any hard objects such as pens, ice, or even fingernails, which could damage the crown. 3. Make sure you wear a mouthguard whenever you grind or bite your teeth at time of night in order to safeguard the crown against pressure. 4. Beware of hard or sticky foods that could result in the crown being forced to fracture or crack. 5. Consult your dentist on a regular basis for checks and cleanings in order to assess the condition of your dental crown. Address any concerns promptly. The bottom line is that dental crowns will last for years when properly maintained and routine maintenance. When you select the appropriate material, ensuring excellent oral hygiene, as well as making the right life choices, you'll make sure that you can prolong the life of your dental crowns and ensure a healthy and beautiful smile over the long haul. If you have concerns concerning your dental crowns, speak to your dentist for advice.